Hi guys, I'm back. My name is Govind from Knowledge Guru and I'll be happy to help you in creating a backup file for your desktop QuickBooks. Want to make a backup of your company file? Create a backup company file is easy. Think of it as a save point for your accounting data. What if your file is deleted? If somebody by mistake deleted it, or if your data is damaged, if you ever run into problems, then what will happen? Then you can use your backup to restore your data. Backup company files save everything currently in your QuickBooks company file. This includes your accounting data, your templates, your letters, your logos, your images, and related files. QuickBooks Statement Writer, Cash Flow Projector, Business Planner, and Loan Manager, everything. However, it's important to note that it doesn't back up your payroll forms. We'll show you how to do that later on in another video, but as of now, let's just focus on the way that how we are gonna create the backup today. In terms of backup, there are three kinds of backup in desktop QuickBooks. That's right, you heard me correct. There is not only one option to take the backup, there are three different options to take your backup of your company file. The one that I'm gonna demonstrate today is the one which we call it as a manual backup, which everyone generally uses. The other one is scheduled backup, which we can schedule at any point of time when we want it. Now I have already opened the company file, which is a test company file, and we are going to take the backup on it. And the third one that I left out was automatic backup. So there's a difference between the automatic backup and your scheduled backups, okay, which we are going to talk in a different video altogether. Let me just show you the navigation and the software in order to take the backup of the company file. If you are new and you want to know more about QuickBooks, just hit the subscribe button and hit the like button if you like the video. For demonstration, we are using this sample company file. So once you have this file open, we are going to go to the file and the top right there, and then we are gonna go to backup company. Note, like just like accounting, if we can do same thing in multiple ways. Likewise, we have multiple ways of taking the backup. It's not only the one and only way, but this is the way that we are explaining you today. Okay, and there's another option which will take you to create local backup right there. The moment you click on that, okay, another window will pops up. This window will comes out of nowhere, so don't be scared. This is a normal screen that will comes up every time you have a QuickBooks to run. Okay, so one note I would like to give you right here is that before moving ahead, if you want to send a file to your accountant, we will recommend that you should create a portable file or the accountant copy rather than the backup file. Okay, now I'm going to proceed with this. Now the moment you click on that, this window will pops up. After this, what you have to do if you are doing this for the first time, we need to click on next right there. So if it is the first time that you are doing it, it will ask you for a location. Okay, I can get into that right here in the options. I have the space to check whether the location was already there or not. As you can see that I have already given it a path to be routed onto my desktop right there. But if you are doing it for the first time, it is gonna open this screen and it is gonna ask you where you want to save it. The moment you give this path and click on OK, it is gonna confirm by opening another small window. It's gonna ask you, do you want to get into this location? Are you sure you want to put this backup on this location as shown in the screenshot? Once you are confirmed and sure about the path, just need to click on OK. The moment you click on OK, it will route you back to the old screen where what you have to do is just one thing. Just like it's asking me now that, are you sure you want to put this on this location? So I'm going to use this location. Yes, I am pretty sure. And you're back on the old screen. What you have to do is just one click where it says finish. The moment you click on finish, it is gonna take the backup and you are set. You are all done. I think that's all for today, my friends. If you have any questions, please write to us. We will answer them. Also, if you want any topic to be discussed in details, we will be happy to create another video on those topics as well. With this, signing off today, your friend Govind Arora from Knowledge Guru India. Bye-bye.